Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Township Libraries. Today we are going to take a look at the COUNTIF and COUNTIFs functions in Excel. The COUNTIF function is good for counting the data in a specific column that meets a set criteria. The COUNTIFs function is good for looking at data in multiple columns that meets multiple criteria. Let's start with the COUNTIF function. Now I can enter in the formula manually, or I can come up to the Formulas tab and click Insert Function. I can search for the function by clicking this and clicking All, but here it shows up in my list. Now I need to select the range, and the range is what cells I want to count. So I can do a whole column or a specific set of cells. I'm going to do a whole column in this example. And criteria is what particularly I want to count. So in this example, I want to know how many products have not sold anything. So we will say less than 1. And I'll click OK. And my spreadsheet tells me that there are 3 products which have not sold anything. To look at the COUNTIFs formula, here I have multiple columns, and I want to know how many times over the course of these 3 quarters the quota was exceeded. So I can come up here to the Formulas tab again, and I can use the COUNTIFs function to figure this out. And this time I'm going to select a range of cells, and my criteria is going to be yes. And it counts for me that the quota was exceeded 5 times over the course of 3 quarters. So those are just some examples of the COUNTIF and COUNTIFs formulas. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.